We're going to do a demo video, instructional video of a Myford HPM cylindrical grinder. This grinder has automatic in-feed plunge grinding as well as traverse grinding with feeding on the left side and the right side of the car. It has a rapid stroke in and out at the beginning and the end of the cycle. It's equipped with a Marpulse in-process gauge, and there is a gauge head here. We're not showing that running today, just the machine working in its automatic mode. So to begin with, this is your control box here. We're going to start the hydraulics, and we're going to start the spindle. So in this mode here, we have a switch on the side that we can start the workhead with. Here is your speed. So you could actually adjust this wheel by hand right now if you wanted to. You also have a power table. Adjust the speed here. This dresser would come off the machine while you're grinding. And here's your tailstock. The machine also has a stroke in the manual mode that I can send the head back and bring it into the workpiece. The in-feed mechanism is fed all the way in, meaning that it's at its dead stop. So you could remove the pin here and come in with this wheel by hand, to make your first part or dress the wheel or to grind a piece by hand. And that's your stop. We send the head back out. The table also has a dwell function where we can have it stay at the side. Depending on how you adjust this knob here, you get a longer or shorter dwell. Use that in traverse grinding. We can shut it off completely. Stop the table. You have a couple of different cycles on the machine. This is the hand mode, which I was just using. This side over here with this measurement tool, this is a description of the in-process gauge, which we're not showing. On this side is the machine's normal automatic functions. This would be incremental grinding or traverse grinding, which people call quick feed. And this would be plunge grinding, going straight in without your table moving. So we can put it in the traverse grinding mode. The machine needs to be set up for that. This lever here gets brought up to the automatic position. This lever here gets put up in the automatic position, and this lever here. And in that position, where we start the table, we'll come in and we'll start moving. And if you can see inside of here, there's a pointer that you set your fine feed and your coarse feed. It starts to move with each table reversal. I'll speed this up. That needle moves along there. There's a knob on the side here that you adjust what that increment is. So 10, 2/10, 3, 4/10. Can't take much more. And that'll work its way down to 0 or to this pointer, and then it'll actually do a fine step. Finer than this step. So we can just fudge this by reversing this by hand. Takes a little bit of a while. Take 15 thousandths off. Again here we have a smaller step, which you set with these two hydraulic knobs. And automatic spark out and the wheel retract. It's easy to see that if we do this in the plunge grinding mode. We don't have the table going back and forth. So let's see, we hit the button now, and the table has to be shut off. Hit the button now, we come in, and we have a continuous in feed. The wheel slide is moving in now. You can see that the pointer is moving continuously. Moving close to the fine feed. Spark out and retracts on its own. Do another one. This knob here controls that speed. I can turn it up. When you get to that point, it hits. It's in the fine feed. And when we get the spark out, the orange light comes on and it kicks out. This is adjust your time, the spark out time with this knob here. We'll do another cycle. Each cycle starts the workhead, brings the wheel slide in, starts the in feed, gets to 0. We have a time spark out, and when it's finished, the machine kicks out. We got the cooler system on the side. It's an automatic paper band filter. As the paper gets dirty, it advances to clean paper.